Hi guys, welcome back to my doll room and to my channel. I'm so excited to do this video for you today because I have a Babyland package. This isn't just any Babyland package because I know I've had a lot lately as I've been kind of beefing up the collection and getting back into collecting. But this particular package is my first CCE Kid, which would be Club Collector exclusive. And so for those of you that have been collecting for a while and are club members, as I recently became one, you'll know a little bit more about that. If you don't know what that is, it's just an annual membership you can sign up for with Babyland, and I think it was like $35. You have to renew it annually, and with that membership you have the ability to purchase certain Club Collector exclusive items such as memorabilia. It could be cups, or you can go to the special events they have each year at Babyland for the club members. You also get to purchase these Club Collector exclusive babies, which they put out annually. What's special about them is they'll often have a very unique, different type of look. Kind of that wild hair. I mean, it'll just really be a work of art. But also above and beyond that is they're hand signed by Xavier Roberts. And they have been stating that the Club Collector exclusive kids, this could be the last year that Xavier actually signs them. It's not definite, but there's the possibility of that, and they've been saying that on the website. So I am a recent member. I've been collecting Cabbage Patch Kids and the soft sculptures my whole life, basically, since I was a kid. But I just recently this year, when I got back into collecting over the last several months, decided to become a Club Collector exclusive member. I don't know if that's the official title, but I decided to finally become a member because, I mean, I'm Cabby crazy. I'm really into this, and it's bringing me a lot of joy in my life right now. I have shared with some people and other collectors about some of the recent changes I had gone through in my life that led me to this point, but I really needed to find something in my life that brought me joy just for me, and I could really focus my attention into. And building this doll room in this space that's also now my home office, my online teaching classroom, it's just been so much fun for me, and it's brought me so much joy. So to become a Club Collector exclusive member for Babyland, it just seemed like the obvious thing to do. And so, of course, I wanted to get one of these babies. Now, if you know anything about being a club member with Babyland, it's not guaranteed you're going to get a CCE Kid just because you're a member. They come on the website at random times. Sometimes they'll give you a preview of when they're coming on. They'll tell you often on the Cabbage Patch fan page on Facebook, give you an idea of what time they're coming on, but sometimes they don't. So you have to kind of stalk the .com page for CabbagePatchKids.com and hope that you're going to see one. And then if you order one, you have to be a club member. They will verify your membership before sending it out to you. So I was lucky enough to find one on there last week that I guess she's got pretty wild hair, and I guess that didn't strike some people's fancy, but after I saw her, she was the only one, the only CCE Kid when I went on. When I went into the Facebook groups for the Cabbage Patch Kids for the softies, I saw that they'd been posted about an hour ago, just a bunch of the CCE Kids, and I missed out on seeing all of those until I looked in the sold section on the website. But this one was still left available, and so I think it might be because her hair is shorter and a little funky. But I personally have short hair. I keep it up most of the time around the house, but if I wear it down, if you see in some of my intro videos, it's not barely to my shoulders. I keep it in kind of an inverted bob, and that's just the do I like. So I'm a short hair girl, and I was proud and happy to welcome this CCE Kid into my collection with her cute little short funky hair. And it's got a combo of two different types of yarn too. She's got red hair, and she's, I believe, a mocha skin. So I'm going to take her out. I haven't looked. I've cut the tape, but I haven't looked inside yet to see her. So I'm really excited to get her into my patch here, and hopefully I'll get to have the opportunity to get more CCE Kids in the future. I don't know if I will, but I am really excited to welcome her in right now. So without further ado, guys, let's open up this box and see my first CCE Kid. This is like really super thrilling. Maybe even more so than usual. I don't know. It's always so exciting. Bubble wrap. Oh, she's got a pretty pink dress on. Hey guys. I got a name change and I asked also for some other customization as well. I don't think I asked for a new birth date, but I added freckles and dimples. So, all right, let me take the plastic off of this little girl. She is just, I am so thrilled. And you couldn't see her from every angle. So it's always great to see them in person and see how they look, you know, in 3D. Oh, I think she's beautiful. Her shoes are adorable. I think I might have another baby. I think Desi-Lou has these shoes. Okay. Let me soak her in, guys. Oh, she's got funky hair. You couldn't tell that she had a ponytail like this in the back. I like it. Guys, it's so cool. All right, let me show you this adorable face. So her new name that I gave her is Simone Roberta. I thought she looked like a Simone to me. I don't know, it just came to me. Look at this face. Look at little Simone Roberta. Okay, so she's got some funky hair. I mean, look at these little curl ringlets she's got on the side, and they're not symmetrical, which, I mean, I don't think they're very symmetrical. It's like supposed to be longer on one side. And she's got the truly yarn, I believe that's what you call it. I've heard collectors calling it that. The thicker yarn hair in the front, but also in the back, guys, which you couldn't really see on the website, she's got a ponytail. And I didn't know. I thought she had a short bob hairstyle from the way she just looked like this from the front. But she's actually got a little ponytail. And it is a mixture throughout her hair of the two types of yarn. And you know, the CCE kids in general are known for having far out hair. Like, it's crazy looking hair, but it's so cool looking. It's just a masterpiece. It's such a work of art. So look how cute. I mean, it's a little funky, right? But I find them all to be funky with the hair. I think that's part of the appeal of the CCE kids, is you're getting something really out there. And I think for the artisans who make these dolls, it must be so much fun for them to do the CCE kids, because they're just so out there. They're not just the norm double pony. You know, they're gonna get to do some really creative and wild hairstyles on these babies, and I think it's really cool. She's got some cute earrings. Now, when I went to add earrings, they told me the CCE kids, the girls, automatically come with earrings. So she's got, like, it looks like little diamond studs. Ooh, look at that bling, guys. And these, they were sticking out, popping out a little, so you kind of have to, I guess, play with them and position them the way that they're like threaded on a thread on her ear. She's got this cute little dress. It's like, to me, it's like, sometimes I really do think I'm color blind, because I'll look at a color and somebody else will say, that's not pink, that's peach. But it's kind of like a peachy pink color. She's got her little undergarment. She's got these cute little shoes with the hearts on the bottom, and I do believe that they could be the same as Desi-Lou's, which Desi-Lou is currently on display downstairs in my living room, so she's down there, but I'll have to take a look when I go down there. So that is Simone Roberta. Roberta is a little shout out to Xavier Roberts. So I wanted to give a little shout out in her name to Xavier Roberts, since she is a CCE kid. And of course, let's take a look at the birthmark, right? Because that's the special thing about the CCE kids. And so she doesn't have a stamp. I wasn't sure if it would be a stamp in addition to the signature. It is just Xavier Roberts' actual signature, no stamp. So you can see that. Look at that. That's quite the signature. And we've seen so many different evolutions of his signature on the different dolls and the different stamps over the years, and the different hand signed dolls as well. So he signed them in, you know, sometimes different, slightly different manners. And then mine says, it has like a number of what she is out of. It says out of 2,813. CCE, it has a number, her number, out of 2,813. So that's pretty cool. And next, I'm going to open her papers and see if they just look the same as the regular adoption papers, or if they are different at all, because this is my first CCE Kid, so this is new for me as well. And so it looks like this one is typed out, as some of them have been lately. It has my name on there. It has her name, the date that I got her. It has my name, and then below it has my address. And then on the bottom, it's signed by the, I guess, authorized representative, official there. Xavier Roberts' signature, and then her number out of the series. So this looks pretty normal to what they usually look like, but it does say CCE instead of LPK in their number, their like registration number, whatever, serial number, whatever you would call that. Basically like social security numbers for Cabbage Patch Kids, I guess. And then her beautiful birth certificate, guys, with her name nice and big on there, and the date she was born, which I just went with the date that I got her because I thought that was a special date. The first time I got a CCE Kid, I wanted that date on there. So pretty awesome. I'm really thrilled with her. I'm so excited. I went with all the dimples. My last girl that I got, my last full-size kid, little Lori Opal with the blonde hair, I didn't add the freckles and dimples. I wanted to not have them all be the same, but in general I love the freckles and dimples on them, so I did add them for my CCE Kid, because I figured if I ever buy a CCE Kid secondhand, they probably won't have all those dimples and freckles necessarily, so I might as well add them on my girl that I'm ordering myself off the website. So again, to see what she looks like with her hair from all angles. And I am probably going to add maybe like a little, I was thinking she would look good with like a little beret and a sweater, so I'm thinking of doing that. I've made a sweater that I want to try on her already because I crochet, and I've been making some sweaters for my full-size LPK girls. So I'm probably going to try that on. Maybe I'll show you guys at the end of the video. And then I might make her a matching beret or see if I can get one. I think it might be cute with her funky hair. So stay tuned. Let me show you how she looks with the sweater. Okay guys, well here she is, little Miss Simone Roberta in her sweater handmade by Mommy. And I think she looks just adorable in it. I put a little pearl button on there for her, and I really think it looks adorable with this outfit. I think it totally completes the look, and I would like to crochet her a matching beret. I think she would look just adorable with a little beret on, so I'm thinking of doing that as well for her. But there she is. There's that little cutie from all angles. Little Miss Simone Roberta, my first CCE from Babyland, hand signed by Xavier Roberts. I couldn't be more thrilled to add her to my collection and have her join this patch because, I mean, what better baby to round out a collection of a true Cabbage Patch Kid lover. So this is just so exciting for me, and I just think her little face is adorable. I am so excited today. I could not wait for the delivery truck to arrive. I was checking the porch all morning. So it's been absolutely thrilling for me to be able to get her, and I feel so fortunate that I was able to get her and to I'm trying to fix her hair. There, that looks a little bit better. Her hair was sticking up. Her hair probably looks better than mine, but I think she looks adorable. So if I get a beret for her, I will show you guys in the future how she looks with her beret. But we're going to say goodbye for now. So you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye, everybody. Bye. Say bye, Simone. See you next time, guys. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. And for more great Cabby videos, please like, subscribe, and share.